Sino ang team or player na papanoorin mo this playoffs?
Siguro si Lakers. My GOAT, LeBron James, you know?
Yay! Alam mo ba may game sila this week? Sige nga kung fan ka nga talaga, like post ka nga. Okay. Okay. Pero iba pa rin kung pinanood mo yung actual gameplay. So stream it right now on Disney Plus.
Oh, Disney Plus?
Stream it Plus on Disney Plus, you know.
Oh, I see. Sino ang team or player na papanoorin mo this playoffs? Timberwolves, Minnesota, si Anthony Edwards. Oh!
Lalaro siya mamaya, papanoorin mo ba?
Oo, I'll check it out.
Sabi nga ng post ni Anthony. Kunwari, like teammate mo ko right now. Ay! Uy, check natin kung pasok. Uy! Pumasok na eh.
Sino ang favorite team at player na papanoorin mo ngayon this playoffs?
Probably Golden State. Player Curry. I like his shots. Yeah.
Pero ano kayong post niya? Ano yung celebration post niya?
I'm a Lakers fan and my favorite player is Luka.
Luka, okay.
Go Lakers.
Sample nga ako paano yung galawan ni Luka, bro.
Ako yung referee. Okay.
Who's your favorite basketball player? Uy, same.
Right now, it's Cooper Flag, so Dallas Mavericks.
Sample post nga.
Sample post.
LA Lakers and Luka.
Saan ka nanonood?
Ano lang, sa mga streaming websites.
Di mo na kailangan maghirap doon bro kasi you can stream it now on Disney Plus.
Oh, na-block. Tara na guys, what are you guys waiting for?
Go watch the NBA playoffs with a plus.
On Disney Plus.
Woo! Tara basketball na tayo. Tara, let's watch.